Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make wonton meat. So I'm just boiling up the kettle. So we're going to put while the water's going to boil. So we're going to do to step 2. So I got soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil. I just got the ground black pepper, but I don't know what pepper I was talking about. So, of course, MSG. Okay, for soy sauce, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. So, 1, 2. Okay. So what's next? Garlic. So what's garlic? Oh, I'm just going to put 1 garlic. Okay. 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil. So must be 1 little and 1 big one of sesame oil. So we're going to do 1 little and then so that's it. Okay. Oh, hold up. So how many? 1 teaspoon. MSG. Oops, too much MSG, but I'm going to mix this together and set it aside. Oops. Oh. Pork. So I'm gonna I'm gonna I'll just put this in the pot. See, I was better off. I put my noodles in. I can just cut this. Gonna marinate the meat. Okay, we got. I'm gonna get the sugar because you know me. One. Well, it's the same again. So, one. No, that's the. No. I'll just use. Oh, here it is. Okay. Same again. That's gonna. Yeah, just gonna marinate the. And then, okay, get the honey. And then, see what else? 1.5. I'm just gonna. Okay, soy sauce. So 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Oops, 1, 2. So I just got raspberry. So how many is that? 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. And mix this. Mix. Oh, I'll show you what you got. I'm actually making the other stuff. So we got this boiling. So we put the egg noodles in. I'm going to keep it boiling. So we're going to put. I'm just going to fry. Say put in the oven, but I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna. You can do this. I'm just doing it in a fry pan. You can do this in the oven, but I'm just doing it in the frying pan today. So. Turn it on. So. What? I am a good cook, you know. There's a lot of oops. Oops. It's one of his moods. Alright, you keep trying to do it, turn the snooze, he's not wrong with one. So I'm just going to let this cook now. So, doing this because I've got to keep this water. Because I've got to do this.
Yeah. You're boiling it.
Yeah, I'm going to boil the pak choy. Make this. I can put the sauce in there too. That's done. Okay. Gonna put the sauce in there. I should have made more, but I wasn't really. Put this in the choy, bok choy. We don't have. So I'm going to cut that right here. Don't want little bits. Of course he is. Thank you for watching how to make wonton mee. I will put this recipe in the description down below and the other recipe. Subscribe, put the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.